All right, language explorer. So let's look at today's word of the day. So contribute. 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 So give something to a greater cause or for a goal to be achieved. There we are, yeah. We will contribute. I will contribute to their charity. He needs to contribute his time. She wants to contribute some money. Contribute some money and time. Yeah. They often contribute a lot. It was a contribution from me. So this is my contribution. Here you are. How cool is that? The book is my contribution to the world. Yeah. How cool is that? I will contribute to your education. Yeah, so these videos contribute to your education. Yeah, they help you. They help you. They contributed yesterday. Yeah, but I contributed something yesterday. What else can I contribute? What else can I contribute? Yeah. How cool is that? He contributed with these clothes and fabrics. Yeah, I contribute education and knowledge. Education and knowledge. Yeah. How cool is that? She is contributing by working with us. Yeah. She is always looking for new ways to contribute. He's contributing a lot of his time. Time. Yeah. So I have plans to contribute more money and time in the future. So in the future, they will contribute a lot. They will contribute a lot because they have a lot of potential and can do a lot of good things in the world. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. So, contribute. Now, can you use it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More to come, more videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can also find me on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.